Hello, good morning, students. Now, today we are going to understand EJ system of nomenclature, students. Okay. So, when you talk about the EJ system of nomenclature of alkene, better you write the term of alkene. So, students, if what is the first condition for compounds having four different group? Having four different group. And that is what we are saying, student. Compound should be what? That is alkene. Alkenes. Okay. EZ system use. EZ system use. Up, dear students, that is two terms we use in the EJ system, and that both are the German word. And if you talk about the Z, okay, that is what the meaning is Zusammen. And Zusammen, this is the German. And what is the meaning of this German word? That is together. This is the together. Or you can say that is same. And then another term is there, E. That is Entgegen. 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 And this is also supposed to be the German word, student. This is also German word. And what is meaning of this German one? This is the opposite. This is opposite, right? So these two things we have to keep in mind, because cis and trans you can easily understand. But suppose we are having the alkene of the four different group. Suppose this is like that, compound is there, F is there, Cl is there, I is there, and Br. What you will be able to do, student? What you will be able to do? Four different. How can you be able to write the name? Okay. So rule number one. Okay. Rule number one. High priority order. High priority order. What is high priority order? High priority order means priority to high mass. High atomic mass. Priority to high atomic mass. So which is having high atomic mass? In this compound supposed to be split into two parts. Okay, this is the separate house and this is the separate house. We have to see both the carbon separately. So this chlorine will consider first priority, then this. Now come to the second carbon. Iodine will come to a first priority, and bromine is the second. And now you see both priority, both priority group are same side. Both priority groups are same side. So it is cis alkene. That is, you can say cis, or you can say that is both are same side. So that is what, that is the term used in Z alkene. Okay, Z alkene. Okay, if you want to write the name, students, Z naming UG. How can you do? That is bromo, chloro, fluoro. So that is bromo will take first and second. So Z 1 bromo, 2 chloro, 2 fluoro, 1 iodo, ethene. Okay, so this much name is there, students, that you have to keep in mind. Suppose what you will do, if this can be changed. So how it is being changed? C bond C, here is the I is there, downside is the Br is there, and this side F is there, and here is Cl. So which will have the more atomic mass? Out of iodine and bromine, iodine is more than bromine. Out of fluorine and chlorine, chlorine is more than the fluorine. Now similar periodic group are opposite side. You can see this is the opposite side. So periodic group are opposite side the E alkene. Okay, opposite alkene. E means anticagal. Okay. So this is what is the something we got to know, students. Okay. Now let's have the type 2. Okay, type 2. Type 2 means, student, if same atomic number element present, atomic number elements present, then what we have to do is, student, then what we are going to do is, student, then check atomic mass of the isotope, atomic mass of the isotope. The one having more mass, will take priority, Now see, one problem I am giving you. C double bond C is there, and here is fluorine is there. This is the chlorine, this is hydrogen, deuterium. That is, student, that is hydrogen, deuterium and tritium. Hydrogen is 1, deuterium is 2, tritium is 3. This is the atomic masses. This is what something atomic mass is. Dear students, now what we have to do, you have to do the numbering. So deuterium is 2 means it will get priority, and this will get second priority, second position. This is 1 and this is 2. So this is the 1 downside. So this is the Z alkene. This is the Z alkene, right? Now one condition is also possible. What the condition? You can change the position. Like suppose C double bond C is there, here hydrogen, here is here you put deuterium, here is hydrogen, fluorine are as it is. So dear students, what you can be able to do? Hydrogen, deuterium, what can we be able to do here? What the possibilities are there? So deuterium will take priority. Out of deuterium and hydrogen, chlorine will take, and fluorine will too. Up see, that is priority group are, where are they? Opposite side. So that is E alkene, E alkene. This is the E alkene. Now they are saying, if rule number 3, if groups are present, then check the next number. Okay, according to mass. Okay, let's have this quite rule is the good, students. Okay, suppose we are having C double bond C is there, here is CH2 CH3. Now this is the what is there, student? CH2 CH2 Cl. Here is what will happen, student? FCl. So here it will get the priority 1 2. Here you see CH2 CH2, so it will give the priority, will chlorine will go, because these terms are common. This will be priority. So you see priority, both priority order are how much? That is the same side. Priority order are same the plane. So this is what is, that is Z isomer. But you can make it the E isomer also. How can you make this? You change CH2 and Cl, and downside let it be that is CH2 CH3, and here is the FCl. So out of fluorine and chlorine, this is the position will be like that. This is the first priority and this is the second priority, because chlorine is having more mass than the fluorine. Here you see this is the 1 and 2. So what is happening, you can see this is the priority order is what is opposite priority group. So this is the E isomer. I hope it must be getting clear to you. Okay, similarly what we can do, we can go with the some other examples also. What the example is there, students, this is the, here is CH2I is there and here is CHFCl, right? Here is what is there, SH, and here is OH. So one thing is clear, that out of S and O, this will give sulfur is more atomic mass. Here what we can do, you arrange the atom in this order. Iodine will take more, then hydrogen, then hydrogen. Okay, here you see chlorine will take more, then fluorine, then hydrogen. So which will take the priority, students? Which is the priority order? Okay, so this is the priority order because iodine will take the more number than the chlorine. So this is 2. Okay, so dear students, what we will be able to do, this is the similar group. If you see, similar group are same side, so that is, it is the Z isomer. One case is one more problem which we can go, students, that is we are having C double bond C, here is OH group, downside also OH group, here is the deuterium is there and here is the hydrogen is there. Ab here is, this is the atomic mass normal and here is 18, this is the isotope has been taken, this is 1 and 2. So how can you be, so atomic mass 2 and 1. So atomic mass 2 means what? Atomic mass 2 means what? Atomic mass 2 means what? Atomic mass 2 means that is priority is 1 and priority is 2. O16 and O18. The priority will be here and this is 1, 2. अब now you see similar group, if you can check, similar groups are what side, students? Similar groups are 5 priority are opposite side. So it is E isomer. This is what is, student, this is the E isomer. Now you can go with the other. Okay, next question is, student, lone pair always take least priority. Lone pair always take least priority. So double bond is there, nitrogen is there, lone pair electrons are there, OH group is there. Okay, here is what is there, Cl is there, this is. Now that is, out of this the lone pair will be least priority, that is 1, 2. Now this will take 1 and this is 2. So you see what we can see, that is, this is the similar group opposite side. So this is what is, student, that is Entgegen, E isomer. Okay, so in case of lone pair also you have to understand that what the priority order you are going to get. Okay, now students, some more question we can be able to solve here. Let's see. C double bond C, here is OH is there, here is F is there, this is the CH3 and this is the NH2. Okay, now you can prioritize the order. Out of fluorine and hydrogen, this is the 1 and this is 2. Out of nitrogen and carbon, so this is the 1 and this is 2. Okay, so both groups are the similar size. You can see that is the both priority are same size. So that is what is there, student, Z isomer. This is the Z isomer. Another possibilities is what there, we can change it out. C double bond C, Here is what is there, student. This is OH, this is I, here is CH3, this is NH2, right? This is up, dear students. Here the periodic order 1 and 2. Okay, here is what is there, student, 1 and 2. Okay, so both are the same side, both are the same side, so that is cis isomer. This is the cis isomers. Okay, both are the priorities are the same side, so that it becomes the cis isomer. Let's have a look over one more problem, students. What is there? C double bond C is there. Here is OCH3, here is fluorine is there, here is the hydrogen is there, here is BH2. Out of hydrogen and boron, this is the 1 and this is 2, and oxygen and fluorine, this is 1 and 2. So you see that is both periodic group are same side, so that is what is will come, student, Z isomer. Okay, so this way you have to solve out the problem, students. I hope this will be helpful to you to understand. Okay, problems are a lot, student, that you can practice it out. Okay, from the MS Chauhan book. If you are having MS Chauhan, that is the very good. Okay, and if you are not having MS Chauhan book, you can mention in comment box. I will give you the Allen book or some other. Okay, you can do this problem, students. Easily you can do 35, 36. This is 1 and 2. Oxygen, fluorine, this is 1 and 2. So both are periodic group, or you can see opposite side. So this is the E isomer. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, friend. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe the channel, students.